N2P brings to you Smart Control Panel, wherein you could remotely control the appliances within your commercial and residential spaces. It is designed to be versatile and will bring multiple values with this technology transformation. Elegance, green and productive environment with ease of use. Our specialty: customer branding. Quality components to avoid power fluctuation. Lightweight mobile application. Dimmer functionality with multiple scene. Use by touch panel, mobile or remote. Cloud admin and user management for personalized access. Prevention measure to avoid vulnerability. 12 nodes with up to 6000 watts power automation. 3 years warranty at a competitive price. Commercial and after-sales support. Experience N2P power automation and feel the difference. Let's build a better world through smart technologies.